I just didn't like the fact that they kind of left me hanging. They didn't support me and give me instruction on how to proceed. Um, they just said, well, you're just going to have to start another one. And I don't want to have a bad reputation with Google. So rather than following their guidance, I went ahead and just went somewhere else just because I don't want to have a bad reputation. I want this to be a long term. I also tried YouTube videos with Thomas Garrett's, which,
how that worked out for you?
You know what? His stuff is it's fun, because it's very creative. I haven't made any money, but I mean, I'm 2 months into it, so I mean, I just got to learn the algorithm. And I'm hoping that maybe Facebook ads it looks like it's a lot easier.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
It doesn't look like they have so many limitations like Google Ads does. And it just seems a lot easier to do business with them. So I like that. I like that you created everything and had everything done for me. I was very happy with that. I don't know how you guessed it, but the niche went really well with my page. So
yeah.
So that was impressive.
Yes, that's why when I'm setting up the page, right? When we are setting up the page, basically, we're always using the face of a like female or something like that, right? So that it attracts the right audience, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and you know what? I have my little followers now, so that's kind of weird, but that's okay. You know, it's a better traffic. More people will look into it, and I didn't think it was going to work, but it did. So I'm very happy.
So from now on, we just have to like continue going on so that you can scale these sales, so that you can have like daily.
Yeah.
Yes, every like.
Yes. I don't want this to be the end. I want this to be the beginning. I want to learn it. I mean, I'm getting my feet wet doing this. Eventually, I do want to get my master's degree in digital marketing e-commerce. So hopefully that'll be a little bit more of a foundation. And I just want to come in running, you know, because I mean, it's a big investment. That's a $20,000 investment. So I want to make sure that it's something I like. And so far, I mean, it's amazing. So easy.
Yes, once you have the skill set, right, and then once you have exact the skill set of how to run ads and put it up together, right, everything, then you can basically go and write and promote any offer you want. Yes. So I'm also happy, that it works for you. Yeah. Okay.
So and I know it's not going to be something that's going to make me money fast. I know a lot of people do think that this is like a get rich quick type scheme.
Exactly.
It's not. It's a career, and it's a profession that really needs to be learned, and it needs to be understood. You need to know psychology.
Yes, exactly, right. Yeah, it's not so much about the software and all these things, right? Like voices, like the chat will tell you. It's all about the people, right? Psychology.
You need to know what is going to hit home to the people. And I saw it with that ad. I mean, people were commenting on my ad. Like, what? Why are you commenting? This is weird. But hey, you know, those are probably the people that purchased.
Yeah, and, exactly.
You know, I mean, I saw it before my eyes. The words work, you know. So, I mean, I really would like to learn more about that. And yeah,
of course.
I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm grateful that